Hello and welcome to How to Helen. So we just got this 2008 Infiniti G37 that has the slip, VDC off, and ABS light on. Now, according to the internet, all you have to do is remove the stop lamp and put it back in, the fuse, and that should go away. So let's see if that is true. So turning off the car, putting on my light, and let's go dig in the fuse box. So according to them, it's this one. And we're gonna pull it out. Okay, it's out. Let's see if it's okay. Is it busted? Nope. So it's working. I mean, it's not busted, so let's put it back. So I just put back the fuse after removing it. And let's go back and start the vehicle. Huh! It is gone. Wow. I am very surprised by that. Okay, thank you internet, thank you YouTube, and thank you for watching.
Now to locate the brake level switch, of course, this is your brake pedal. Look straight up, and this is the switch right here.